Hello everyone, welcome to CRS class. Last week we talked about God, we explained who God is, and we also talk about names of God in the different languages in Nigeria. Today we are going to continue with God's creation of the world. God's creation of the world. Alright. It is generally believed that the whole world and the heavens were created by God. Okay? But before we go into creation, into the story proper, let us define creation. What is creation? Creation is the art of making or causing something to be or to exist. It is a way of bringing out something new. That is creation, a way of bringing out something new. The Bible record of creation is that in the beginning, the whole world was without form. It was void, and darkness was on the surface of the earth, on the deep. God created the world without nothing. That is to say, God did not use any raw material to create the world. In the first account of creation, God spent 6 days in creating the world while he rested on the seventh day. Okay, and so we are going to look at it on one after the other. Now, on the first day of creation, God created the light. God created light. Genesis chapter 1, verse 1 to 5. God created light. And after God had created light, God saw that it was good. Now, on the second day, God created the firmaments. The firmament here refers to the heavens, the skies, and the clouds. That can be found in Genesis chapter 1, verses to 8. On the third day, God created the seas, the land, and the vegetations. That is the trees, the grasses, and other plants. So we can read that from Genesis chapter 1, verse 9 to 13. On the fourth day, God created the heavenly bodies. The heavenly body in this case refers to the sun, the moon, the stars, and other planets. Now, there are two great lights created to control day and night. For example, God said, "Let the sun govern the day, while the moon and the stars will govern the night." Genesis chapter 1, verse 14 to 19. On the fifth day, God created all kinds of sea creatures such as fishes, whales, and every kind of bird were created on the fifth day. These creatures were good in the sight of God, and he blessed them. God blessed them, okay? And commanded them to be fruitful, to multiply and fill the sea, the sky, and the land. Genesis chapter 1, verse 20 to 23. Now, on the sixth day, God created all kinds of land animals. Don't forget, on the fifth day, he created sea animals, okay, and the birds of the air. So, on the sixth day, God created all kinds of land animals like elephants, the lions, like cows, sheep, goats, tigers, and so on. Then finally, God created man in his image and likeness. Okay? He created them male and female. And he commanded them to be fruitful, multiply, and replenish the earth. So God gave man dominion over all the earth and put man in charge of things he created on earth. So this Adam and Eve were kept in the Garden of Eden. And God saw that it was all good. Now, that can be read from Genesis 1, verse 24 to 31. Finally, on the seventh day, God ended his work of creation on the sixth day, and on the seventh day, God rested. Okay, he blessed all his work and he rested. This is the account of the creation of the world. At the end of this video, you You are going to write all the things that were created on each day according to this video for further discussion. Have a lovely day.